Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we have discussed about rock cycle. How magma, due to the heat, pressure and force, it comes out on the surface of the earth in the form of volcano. When this volcano cools down and it crystallizes, igneous rocks are formed. When these igneous rocks are they are when these igneous rocks are exposed to constant heat and pressure, it breaks down into sediments. When these sediments are carried along with the flow of wind and water, and they start layering up, and these layers, they start pressing each other, right? This process of pressing, compacting, is known as litification. Then sedimentary rocks are formed. When these sedimentary rocks are exposed to constant heat and pressure, metamorphic rocks are formed, and the metamorphic rocks, which are still under heat and pressure, they melt down into magma once again. So this is what your rock cycle is. Now we'll discuss about how soils are formed. Soils minerals form the basis of soil. They are produced from rocks. Now, soils are produced from rocks. The rocks which we have discussed about, the metamorphic, the igneous, the sedimentary. So, soil minerals form the basis of soil. They are produced from rocks, parent material, through the process of weathering and natural erosion. Water, wind, temperature, temperature change, gravity, chemical interaction, living organisms, and pressure differences all help break down parent material. Now, these are the processes, these are the factors which are responsible for breaking down of parent rock. Now, we will discuss one of the method of soil formation. Now the rocks, the igneous rocks, if we talk about igneous rock, consider it to be a parent rock. Now when this rock is exposed to constant heat and pressure, in summer it expands, in winter it contracts. Now then this expansion and contraction, it creates cracks in the parent rock. Now during rainy season, the water fills in those cracks, and during winter the water freezes. When the water freezes, it expands the cracks, right? And it expands the cracks, and the cracks gets deeper. Now this repeated process of expansion and contraction, it causes the parent rock to break down into pieces, right? Now when these rocks which have been broken down into pieces, when they are carried along with the flow of water, when they are carried along with the flow of wind, they start getting smaller and smaller, and hence soil is formed. So this is one of the method how soil is formed. Physical weathering, it is just one of the method. There are other methods as well. Now, types of soils. There are 6 major types of soils found in India: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, desert soil, laterite soil, and mountain soil. Now, class, your homework is to study about these 6 kinds of soils, and you will also draw a map showing the distribution of these soils. So you will write down the characteristics of these 6 kinds of soils, and you will also draw a map showing the distribution of these 6 kind of soils. Thank you.